Hello everyone, this is a very short video on how to use the new Vevox Webex integration. So to use the new integration, the first thing I need to do is create a session that I want to include into my Webex. I've created a session here called Webex session. I'll click into my session and the next thing I need to do is to copy the meeting ID. So I just click the copy icon and that adds it to my clipboard. Click on Webex and start my meeting. It takes a few seconds to load, but once I've started my session, I can then go in and press the app icon down here in the bottom right corner. So I click on apps, scroll to Vevox polling and Q&A, click on there, paste my session ID, click join session, and there we have it. Now, that will then be available for every participant on my Webex session. The participants don't need to do that themselves. By me doing it here, that's then available for everybody. If I click open together, I can force Vevox to pop up on the right-hand side for every participant, so they don't even have to go and find it. It will just appear. That way, my participants will see when I open my polls that they can go in and respond to polls, and they can go in and send those messages. So it's exactly the same experience that they would have using their mobile phones or the web app, but it is natively integrated now into our WebEx session. That's it for this video, but if you have any more questions, please do give us a call or get in touch with us at support@vevox.com. Thanks very much.